So I'm just kidding, I'm not throwing it away. I am returning it though. After having this on the truck for a little over a week, I'm dropping the Tri-Fold. I'm going back to a soft roll-up. It's nothing against Tyger. I think they make great products. I do think this is a great Tri-Fold bed cover, especially for the price. You can't beat it. Doesn't leak or anything. My only issues are some functionality, you know, how I use the truck, how it affects the bed, and I'll go over that in this video. All right, so one of my main complaints with the Tri-Fold bed cover is we have these quick release clamps, which are nice. They hold the bed cover nice and firm, but as you can see, they kind of take away a few inches of your bed space. And on top of that, you need to be able to release them. So we're about like 6 inches away from the edge of the bed. So if you have something big like this towards the edge of your bed, you're losing out on bed space, or you can't open this unless you kind of remove your cargo. So that's one of the issues I have with it. Whereas if you have the soft roll up, you know, you have the wire, you can just pull it to release it. It's not removing any of your bed space. One of the other little nuances with the Tri-Fold is, unlike a soft roll up where you have the wire, like I've mentioned, you have these quick releases, and where with the soft roll up, it's kind of like a one-hand job, roll it up, get started. This one, you kind of got it in here with each one, and make sure you clear these brackets. There's been times where I've tried to open it and one side's caught, and it gets kind of rather annoying. All right, so now when you fold up the bed cover, right, it's a Tri-Fold, so we go into thirds here. To lock these, as you can see, that one's not snapped down, so we won't be able to close it all the way. Another kind of frustrating, you gotta keep going back and forth between sides to make this work. And once this is, you know, folded up all the way, you can see we only get 2/3 of the bed space. If you were to throw a couch in here, you're gonna have to take this whole thing out. Now the problem is, at least with this Tri-Fold cover, is that these clamps in here are, you know, permanent. So literally no way to gain this bed access back unless you remove the whole thing, and that's pretty tedious. Then obviously you have these snaps to hold it in place so you can go down the road and not have to worry about it. But it's just kind of a bummer. It's a nice bed cover. It's got very good framing. It's very rigid. But for me personally, losing 2/3 of the bed space, kind of the tediousness of unlatching it when you want to roll it up, or even, you know, going back and relatching it, it's just a little extra time consuming, a little extra tedious, and I think that's why I like the soft roll up so much better.